according to the ratings agency Moody's, and the note in turn is weighing on bank stocks today. And Shefali Malik standing by for more on this story. Shefali, good afternoon. What do you have for us?
Good afternoon, Agam. So Moody's today put out a note highlighting the fact that the tight liquidity conditions is, amongst the real estate developers is proving to be a difficult spot for the Indian banks, and it is a credit negative for Indian banks as the developers might not be able to pay back, and the refinancing activity as well may get difficult from here on. So they've actually listed down the bank's exposure to commercial real estate, which bank has the highest exposure and which banks overall have exposure to the real estate sector. So Yes Bank is again the one which has come to the forefront. It's leading that particular chart. Its exposure as on March 19 is about 14%. So that's perhaps the reason why the stock is also down around 14% right now. IndusInd Bank, it has exposure worth about 11% in comparison to its total gross loans. So going back to Yes Bank, so 14% number would mean it has loans worth about 33,000 crores to the commercial real estate sector. So that is a big concern. ICICI Bank around 7.7% exposure, Axis Bank 4.3%, HDFC Bank 4%, OBC, IOB, OBC around 4%, IOB, PNB around 2.5%. So that's a list put out by OBC, and perhaps these are the names that we can closely watch out for in the days to come, as in the next few days how the developments in the real estate sector pan out and the likely impact on these banks will be something very interesting to monitor.